Murata's SCH16T is a combined high-performance accelerometer and gyroscope designed for inertial measurement units, robotic control systems, and other motion analysis and control applications. The sensor implements a plus or minus 300 degrees per second 3-axis gyroscope and a plus or minus 8G 3-axis accelerometer in a 24-pin SOIC package, with a parallel 3-axis acceleration channel offering a dynamic range up to plus or minus 26G. These are built using Murata's proven 3D MEMS technology with a new architecture that provides low noise for the gyro and accelerometer, plus excellent linearity and offset stability over the -40 to +110 degrees Celsius operating temperature range. It also provides great vibration and saturation resistance. The SCH16T includes a mixed signal ASIC that converts the sensor inputs to 16 or 20-bit digital measurements, provides filtering and synchronization functions, and outputs the data over a safe SPI version 2.0 interface.